The terrain clearance floor is designed to alert pilots to a possible premature descent during non-precision approaches. Using runway position data, a protective floor is constructed by enhanced GPWS around the airport. The terrain clearance floor begins roughly 1/2 mile from the runway ends and climbs with respect to terrain at approximately 100 feet per mile until reaching 400 feet above ground level, some 5 nautical miles from the airport. The floor maintains this 400-foot relationship with terrain until reaching 12 nautical miles from the airport. The terrain clearance floor increases again at 100 feet per mile until reaching 700 feet above ground level at 15 miles from the airport. The 700-foot floor is then maintained. This construction provides alerts during long, low approaches, while avoiding any unwanted alerts along a normal 3-degree descent flight path. As an aircraft approaches the airport, it now has protection from premature descents into terrain or the possibility of landing short of the runway. This function is always enabled, regardless of aircraft configuration, around runways of 3,500 feet or longer. Should the aircraft penetrate the terrain clearance floor at any point, the GPWS red warning lamp would illuminate and the voice alert, "Too low, terrain," would be heard.
Too low, terrain. Too low, terrain.
For specific airports with unusual terrain factors, the terrain clearance floor dimensions or gradient can be modified to provide increased safety margins.